In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher to activate it and go back to standard keyboard thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Now copy or cut any text. To paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard, and to paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on your text and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, tap on the pen again. Select your text and use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!